Good morning. How companies are plotted? If you have a good manufacturing idea, a combination of product or a new uh, facilitated vehicle or some devices you want to promote, then you have to initially draft a plan that what all are the requirement for your company or factory or manufacturing unit and the capital which you require, and all that should be in promoter's statement. Then thereafter a minimum rules and regulations, then you have to register with the company, and the capital should be divided into shares, that every unit of share must be some 100 or 200 or 1000 for present circumstances, and unity should be that unit should be purchased in number 20 or 100 numbers should be there, and the minimum number of shares should be there. Then the people will invest the capital. Then according to rules, the person who contains this much of shares would be a director, and there will be directors, and then will be a managing director, and this is the way the companies are being floated. A recent Companies Act says even a single firm is brought under Companies Act from individual company or everything, limited company, corporate company. What is limited company? What was corporation? What undertaking company? This is government undertaking company. So 50% of the shareholders will be the government, 50% will be the public. That is government company. This is the way companies. So what all are the specific words used in company? Board of directors. Lifting of veil. What is meant by veil? Veil means uh, screen. And normally the ladies who wear dupatta and Tamil Davani is also called veil. Lifting of veil means when you can lift the veil means you can protrude or look into the affairs of the company and decide it. And the company law board will be there, a registrar of company will be there, then the company tribunal will be there, then you have to go to High Court under Article 226 or 227. In this respect, I would like to discuss a judgment wherein you could understand by going through the facts of the case, so that some little bit knowledge if you are alien to the company law. AR 2020, Madhya Pradesh, page 91, Virendra Singh's judgment. They say Companies Act 2013, section 430, bars civil suit filing. So the year issuance of allotment of duplicate share certificate on account of loss of original ones. Dispute between the parties is company matter, not the civil dispute. This is the case. Several judgments were discussed. Actually, what had happened, he was allotted 12,000 shares and 12,934 bonus shares. 24,934 shares were allotted, but he misplaced the share certificate and lodged a report before the police station and applied to the company to issue duplicate certificate. That was not exceeded, not considered. Complaint to SEBI. SEBI that the matter being inquired, he received email from the petitioner company that his shares have been transferred. 14,026 shares were transferred in favor of Srimati Leela Boy by execution of document. Therefore, he filed a civil suit seeking for relief. Then the petitioner filed an application under Order 7, Rule 10, challenging the maintainability of suit. That was dismissed. Appeal was also dismissed, and that was not challenged. Thereafter, he filed Order 7, Rule 11 CPC by incorporating, citing the new Company Law 2013, that the civil court has no jurisdiction in view of section 56, 57, 58 and 59 of the Companies Act. Therefore, you have to go through all these provisions. That was dismissed, and therefore the lower court held that since the plaintiff has denied execution of any transfer deed and his signature are fake and forged, it's a matter for civil dispute. Therefore, as per section 9, it is civil dispute, it is maintainable. Then that is against that my MP Madhya Pradesh High Court has decided this is wherein Parental Drugs India Limited was Jagdish Mangal HUF, Hindu Undivided Family HUF. That is 2020 MP 520. Then they have discussed about section 84 deals with the certificate of shares. Then they have decided Sakshi Prakash cases, so many cases at paragraph 10, go through that. Article of Association of Companies, that was somewhat bylaws of a cooperative society or Society Registration Act. That is Article of Association. Memorandum of Association, Article of Association different. Memorandum of Association is a different, that's an aim and object of the company. Article of Association means the regulatory rules. Then section 46 says certificate of shares and company is bound to issue certificate if the shares have been lost. Then they say under section 84(4), the company registrar have got rights to hold an inquiry about any relief. Sirpal Jain was Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited, AR 1995 4 SEC 590. That also you have to go through if you are really interested. And the several judgments have been quoted. So the all judgments say reiterates that section 84(4), company, registrar of company have got right to, then you have to file an appeal. Then what happened, the apex court judgment, Supreme Court, Sripal Jain case, they have following that respondent to register company is also was in patent error in referring the complaint to obtain order from the competent court in the given case. Therefore, by reading section 55 and 56, issue and redemption of preference share, transfer and transmission of securities, these all are being discussed. So rectification of register of members provision under section 59 was also discussed. Then finally they said 434 new company code deals with company law tribunal, and section 2 subclass 81 company securities have the same meaning as defined under Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956. So if you are interested in to know company's law, go through the judgment, take down the important provisions, go through that, and thereafter again come and read the judgment and pick out the judgment cited therein at relevant para, several judgments. Go through all those judgments, you will be able to understand the company law and how companies are quoted. Then what is done there, what is debentures. Once the share space limited and restricted to company's capital. After that, if the company need any loan, then they will issue debentures. Debentures means a loan certificate, wherein the first charge will be on debentures. After deducting the payment only, the rest amount will be either loss or profit will be distributed among share. That decides the value of the share. If you purchase a share for 100 rupees, that share will be sold for 1,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees if the company is in a high peak. Otherwise, you have to get loss of 800, 900. This way, the company shares is being raised up and down. That resulting trademark. A lot of gambling is also there. Arshad Mehta case, without any paper, he used to sell company shares and purchase them simply by telephone, who travel with a car by air also. This says, good morning.